Badly formed blocks can often have their base point in a location that makes accurate insertion into your DraftSight design very awkward. The new Redefine base point of a block command allows you to quickly fix this issue. As you can see, the base point for this chair is not in a usable position as it is far away from the block. If I select the block, then right-click on it, I get the option to redefine base point. Just select the tool and then select your new base point. It really is that easy. In previous versions of DraftSight, if you exploded a block that contained text attributes, the text attributes would be lost. Using the new Remove Attribute command, blocks with text attributes can now be exploded while retaining the original attribute's definition and style. As you can see, using the Explode command causes a block to lose its text attributes. However, using the Remove Attribute command found on the Home tab, Modify panel, you can explode the block while retaining its text attributes and style. To learn more about DraftSight and how to get a free 30-day trial of DraftSight Professional, visit DraftSight.com/professional.